did what he should. Banjo was not really bad, they say. It's just he couldn't be good. He had a knack for a ruckus around, although he was tiny and small. How often poor Mama and Papa would scold, but that didn't stop him at all. Banjo's a cat who could not behave. He seldom did what he should. Banjo was not really bad, they say. It's just he couldn't be good. 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 It's just he couldn't be good.
Banjo.
I was just stopping, Dad. I'm not chasing anymore. Honest, I stopped.
Emily, be quiet. I am quiet.
Banjo, you've got to learn to mind.
Really, Dad? I stopped, honest.
You never listen.
But, Dad, I was just going to have a little fun.
He had a knack for a ruckus or row, although he was tiny and small. Often poor Mama and Papa would scold, but that didn't stop him at all.
I heard some people talking, and they said if you drop a cat off a roof, it'll always land on its feet. So I thought we'd just jump off this old chicken coop.
Well, you can talk to your Blue, but I'm not gonna jump.
Me neither. Sissies. Fraidy cats.
You're not gonna make us.
But we're gonna land on our feet. Hey, you guys, where are you going? Come on back. Look, I'll prove it. We landed on our feet, Dad.
And you're going to land something on the seat of your britches.
Well, it wasn't all my fault.
You have exactly 1 minute to fetch me a switch.
Banjo's the cat who could not behave. He seldom did what he should.
I'm waiting.
I always get the blame for everything. No one even cares if I was hurt. I could be limping and really seriously hurt, and no one would even care. I can't find any switches. I should take back a 2x4 and let him hit me with it. I'm not having a good time. I'm gonna run away from home. That's what.
So where are you headed for, Freeman?
Oh, I'm headed for Salt Lake.
Salt Lake? Big city like that? Sure must see some good times.
Good times? I'll say good times. And the only way to know is to go where the good times are.
Banjo, the woodpile cat, is good as he can be. Off to the city where the good times are to see what he can see. Banjo, the woodpile cat, is always up a tree.
There's got to be some food around here somewhere. What are you doing in there?
I ran away from home.
You ran away from home? Oh, I'm sorry, kid. I didn't mean nothing. Come out of there. Ah, that's better. What's your name, little buddy?
Banjo. I'm cold, and I'm hungry, and I want to go home.
Come on, let's put this on. It'll keep you warm. There. By the way, where is your home? And how come you ran away? Yeah, I ran away from home myself when I was a kid. Where'd you say you were from?
I live in a woodpile.
Some of my best friends live in woodpiles. Incidentally, my name is Crazy Legs.
Crazy Legs?
Yeah, that's it, kid.
Mr. Legs, do you think you could help me, get home?
That depends. Now, what'd you say your home was?
In a woodpile. In Payson.
Payson, That's a long, long way from here.
I knew it. I'll never see home again. Never, ever.
Now, just a minute. Let me think. How did you get here?
I hitched a ride on Mr. Chipman's feed truck.
Well, then all we got to do is find Mr. Chipman's truck and put you on it, and you're as good as home.
Yeah?
Yeah. Say, I'm starved. Let's go get something to eat.
Hey, Crazy, can we look for the truck, too?
Sure, we can look. Come on. Maybe we'll see some of those good times along the way. Wait a minute. I know someone who could help us find that truck. Zazu.
Zazu?
Hey, listen, I know it's the craziest thing. What happened to my beat with a boogie woogie beat never happens in a waltz or a swing. I love you, you love me, so sugar baby, can't you see? I'm all dressed up, it's Saturday night, let's run around the boogie baby out tonight. Come on, boogie woogie sugar baby out tonight.
Banjo, this is Cleo, Molina, and Zazu.
What a precious little child. Crazy, what are you doing with this boy?
I found him over behind Ernie's.
Yeah, he found me.
Yes, I know, honey. A little fella like that knocking about the city could get into a heap of trouble.
But I'm not.
I ain't got him in no trouble. He ran away from home.
Ran away?
On the Chipman feed truck.
You poor little child. Don't you miss your family? Oh, of course you do.
Crazy, I want to go home.
Oh, come on.
He's homesick.
Now, look at what you've done. I had him all cheered up. Now you done brought him down. You ain't figuring on running out on me, are you? Because if we're going to find that truck, you know something, buddy? We got to stick together.
I'll stick with you, kid. And you stick with me. Now together, we'll overcome adversity. And old man Trouble, well, he'll have to let you be. 'Cause you're gonna come out smiling if you stick with me. So keep your chin up and look up high. You'll find your trouble will pass you by. I'll stick with you, kid, you stick with me. Together we'll overcome adversity. Old man Trouble will have to let you be, 'cause you're gonna come out smiling if you stick with me.
Safety in numbers, we always work things out. We can't be too careful, there's danger all about. So look in each corner and under bushes too. There could be a growling thing that's waiting there for you.
Oh no, crazy, what'll I do?
What do you do? Well, I'll stick with you, kid, you stick with me. Together we'll overcome adversity. And old man Trouble will have to let you be, 'cause you're gonna come out smiling if you stick with me.
Subject is eating, that's what it's all about.
A chicken, a tuna, and now and then a trout.
We ain't got the chicken,
And tuna can't be found.
the truth is we're starving, there ain't no food in town.
Oh no, what'll I do?
What do you do? Well, I'll stick with you, kid. You stick with me.
Together we'll overcome adversity. And old man Trouble will have to let you be, 'cause you're gonna come out smiling if you stick with me. All right, all you cats. This little fella here wants to go home. Will you help me find the Chipmunk feed truck? All right, let's cover the whole town. So get on back to your own neighborhoods and start searching. You're gonna come out smiling.
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 You're gonna come out smiling if you stick with me. Let's go find that truck.
Banjo's the cat who could not behave. He seldom did what he should.
Crazy, I don't think we're gonna find that old truck around.
Not so loud. This is a mean neighborhood. Dogs, lot of dogs. Come on, let's get out of here. Get out!
Watch out! Ah! Crazy legs!
Hold on! Told you there are a lot of dogs. Come on, let's get on back to town. I ain't never really prayed before. I mean, it ain't like I haven't tried to find that truck. If you could sort of move it over in my direction, I know I could catch it. I gotta get that little guy home.
Where are you headed for today, Freeman?
Going south. Gotta take some grain down to Payson.
Payson? Hi, that's a great little town. I used to live there.
Crazy Legs, wake up, wake up! It's here, it's the truck. Come on, Crazy, come on.
What's happening? What?
Crazy, that's it. That's the truck that brought me here. That's the truck.
Well, I'll be doggone. The Chipman beef truck is here.
Yippee! I'm going home. Great! Come on, Crazy, come on.
Let's go see him off. Come on, girls. Come on there, Banjo.
Crazy, that's it. That's the truck that brought me here. That's the truck.
That's it. That's it, little buddy. Well, I guess this is goodbye.
Goodbye.
Yeah, you're going home. We're staying here.
Crazy.
Come on, say goodbye to the girls.
Goodbye, Cleo. Melina. Goodbye, Zazu.
You precious little child. Bless you, darling. I'll miss you.
Crazy. Goodbye.
Oh, come on now.
Crazy, the truck! The truck!
Wait! Come back! Stop!
Grab on!
I can't reach it! I got it! I got it!
Banjo, the woodpile cat, is happy as can be. He's going home where the good times are to see. His family.
Mom! Dad! I'm home! I'm home!
Banjo's the cat who could behave.